Welcome to the installation video for the Mark II fire door coordinator. Please be aware that this video is for illustrative purposes only. Please make sure you have all the components as shown on the screen. Remove the back bracket from the body, retaining the tuff lock screw. On the back of the fitting instructions provided, please select the top or bottom template depending on whether door A is on the left or the right. Place the template at the top of the door, ensuring the centre line of this template is correctly positioned, and mark all screw centres. Screw the back bracket to the top of the door frame using the two round-headed screws. Please note the keyhole shape should be at the bottom with the screw holes on the top. Slide the body and arm assembly onto the back bracket and secure using the tuff lock screw. Screw the 3-hole angle onto the first closing door A using two flathead screws. Use the top and bottom countersunk holes only, leaving the middle hole clear. Making sure that the black toggle of the rebate block is roughly aligned with the centre of the 3-hole angle, screw the rebate block to the second closing door B using two round-headed screws. Where the black toggle catches on the door's rebate, use this as the centre point and fix the impact plate A using two small silver screws. Where the arm hits door B, use this as a centre point to fix impact plate B using two small silver screws. Ensure the arm holds open door B and tighten or loosen the tuff lock screw on the top of the body if needed. This also ensures door A isn't restricted by the body assembly. When opening the doors, ensure that the black toggle strikes impact plate A installed on the rebate of first closing door A. Ensure that the rebate block doesn't interfere with door A when closing. Finally, ensure that the 3-hole angle on door A lifts the body assembly and allows door B to fully close. Please note that this is a guideline only and may need slight adjustment once installation is complete using the checks and adjustments section. After completing all checks, make sure that the doors shut in the correct sequence. This product plays an important role in the fire safety of the building, so check all fixings at monthly intervals.